Boom, what is up, Waves Capital? It's Royce Jacob. Welcome back to the channel. This video, as I'm sure you've already noticed, is going to be a bit different, and that is because I'm going to take you guys with me for the building of our new home office that I am dubbing the Waves Cave and or Waves Capital HQ V2. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think we should name this place. And yeah, just wanted to make this video because I thought it would be cool to show you guys a little behind the scenes of the process of the studio that will ultimately be the recording area for at least half of the videos from here on for the foreseeable future. Okay, so let's quickly go over, similar to the regular videos, let's go over the breakdown of how I'm going to be building this out, kind of go over the quick plan of attack, and then we'll cut to some time lapses of me building out each individual quadrant of the room and just putting up all the designs and cool Waves necessities, okay? So, first things first, we got the new standing desk and desk essentials. We'll build this guy out, probably put this guy in this corner right here just so we can put all the artwork, whatever we want to put on the walls right here, get a sick little recording area, kind of like in the current office space where we do have the two campuses right here. I'll probably put up this bad boy, which is a corner shelf and just some of these cool shelving, got those like hexagonal shelving things. I don't know if I'm gonna do all of this yet, just have everything ready in the case that, that I wanna put it up, but just bear with me guys because although this is somewhat structured, I'm really gonna be winging this and yeah. All right, it is looking like we're ready to roll. Got the space all cleared out, camera framed up, hopefully nice and proper. So let's get her going and build out the standing desk right here, right now. That is a wrap. Of course, there were a few curveballs along the way, but we got it done. That is one piece of the room down. We have a lot more to go because that was just the first step, but it feels good. This is going to be the base of course, the Waves Cave, and this is where the magic is going to happen, or at least do my best to make it magic. Whatever recordings come out of this room will be done on this desk once the computer is set up right here. So, feels good. Let's test this puppy out. Woohoo, smooth. Yeah, this is the first time I've always wanted a standing desk. And I actually do stand when I write my newsletters in the morning a lot of the time, but that's with a super bootleg kind of rig. So I'm excited to have this standing desk. Again, it's gonna be nice to stand and record videos finally. And man, look at this, look how clean that is. Super fun. So yeah, this is done. Let's move on to, man, I really want to set the computer up, but I feel like the better move, you know what, we'll set the computer up now, because honestly, I really don't need a chair back here, and I feel like it'll just kind of get in the way as we're setting up the computer. So we'll do the computer up next, we'll set up the chair, and that will be kind of the business section of everything done, and then we can just get aesthetic and set up all of the artwork and whatnot, okay? So sick, let's keep it moving. Stop the time lapse just because this thing looks so sick, super clean. It's been a really long time since I've had just a regular Mac, like Mac desktop. So I'm really excited to set this thing up. Let's go back to the time lapse. All right, so I just opened this up, but once I did it, I felt like I needed to share a little unboxing process with you guys. So let's get this puppy off. Hello. Okay, let's put that back. Flip this. All these come out. Oh, the way it opens is so clean. Okay, let's just do a quick. Oh, we gotta do the satisfying. Whoo! Hello. Oh man, I'm glad I did this with you guys. That was good. Okay, now we can come back to the time lapse. Let's go. All right, team. Been working on the Wavescape for a few hours now, so I think we deserve a drink. Therefore, I want to make a toast. Cheers to all of you guys. I appreciate all of you very much, especially those of you who have been riding with me for so long. Hopefully, you get more videos like this. This was fun to make so far, and I'm looking forward to more lifestyle content in the future. Of course, along with all the marketing content and everything we've done to date. So, cheers to the future, cheers to the past, and cheers to right now. Love you guys. This one's to you. And of course, one for you guys. Pop it. Pour it up, there you go. Dink it and sink it. Okay, so I'm just gonna assume the hard part's over. Those two tasks took way longer than I expected them to. And I'm just gonna assume it's smooth sailing from here. And I also feel like I'm just asking for a curveball and jinxing myself by saying that. But we're on to the fun stuff. Let's build out this chair. Let's get up the artwork, wrap up the Wavescape. And yeah, I'm excited to see the final product. So, bear with me, you guys. Let's start the time lapse on this bad boy right now. Sit down. Okay, so that is the standing desk. We got the MacBook done. We got the chair done. I'll call that the essentials. Done and dusted. So, I don't know who I thought I was, thinking that I could get everything done in one day. Started at about 8 a.m. this morning. Honestly, this took me probably like 3 hours, even if it doesn't look like it in the time lapse. But it is now 7 o'clock. And throughout the day, I have also recorded a video. It's Sunday, by the way. So, recorded a video. I donated $5,000 and 1 penny to Ryan Trahan's kind of charity / fundraiser that he's doing, the 1 penny to Mr. Beast. So, you guys have probably seen that by now, but and that doesn't sound very exhausting. And it's truly a privilege, you guys. I'm blessed to just live the life I live every day of my freaking life. So, thank you guys. It absolutely is the alcohol speaking, because we took those shots drinking these hard cider. It's literally quite a hard cider now. So, we're looking good, you guys. That was definitely necessary. Loosen up a little bit. It is Sunday once again, but there's no other way. I'd rather spend my Sunday. Once again, I think we got. I think we got the essentials down. We can push this behind the desk. We'll just leave this bad boy in the corner. Look at these wheels. They're like Razor scooter wheels, which actually slide super nicely across floors. Listen to that. Nothing. That's the point. It makes no sound. So we'll push that into the corner. Jam some Fortnite there whenever we have some time. But you guys ready to call that a day? We'll reconvene tomorrow, and we can get all the artwork up and whatnot, get the katana up, get the microphone and whatnot set up, get some of the canvases up, and yeah, I'm excited to put the finishing touches, chef's kiss, on the Wavescape or Waves HQ once again, whatever you guys want it to be. So I'll call it a day, you guys. Guess I'll see you in the morning or in the next clip. Peace. Good night. Alrighty then, it's day 2 of building out the brand new Wavescape. So, good morning, or good afternoon, or good night, whatever time it may be whenever you're watching this video. For me, it is now about 12:30 noon, just finished trading, just finished writing the daily newsletters. on which note do consume the majority of my mornings every morning. So if you are part of Waves Capital, if you are subscribed to my daily newsletter, as well as the complete portfolio product, you know how the Waves Capital portfolio is being managed on a day-to-day basis. You know how I'm personally trading every day. Shout out to you, much love to you. The portfolio has been crushing it lately. We've been having a great couple of months, and I'm very excited for the fall and winter months to come. So if you want to join the team, if you want to jump on board, that is going to be the first link down in the description box below. $15 a month or $40 for every 3 months, completely up to you. But with that, as you guys know, once again, you get my complete portfolio breakdown, an update of how I trade my personal portfolio and or the Waves Capital portfolio on a day-to-day basis, along with all of the newsletters that I spend every single morning writing, every trading day of the week, and there's going to be a lot of content made on this bad boy in the new Waves Cave. Okay, so I trust you will not regret it, but I will let you be the judge of that. Again, first link in the description box down below to join Waves Capital and really join the team. So, shameless plug out of the way, had to include that. But you guys, time to get back down to business. We got the big stuff out of the way. Hopefully, the majority of the hard work out of the way. And now we're on to the fun stuff. So instead of doing it how I did these parts, kind of unboxing everything and showing you, talking you through each step of the way, I'm pretty much just gonna bust everything out. We're gonna put it up. I'll time lapse the whole process of me just unboxing things and putting them up. Again, not taking breaks in between the time lapse, just break down every individual piece. But I'll show you guys one seamless time lapse of just getting everything decorated, getting the artwork up on the walls, getting some stuff on the desk, putting up the samurai sword, which I did freaking nearly cut my pinky off with last week. I include some samurai clips right now. Anyway, we'll do one seamless time lapse, get all of the artwork on the walls and whatnot, and hopefully it looks a lot more like a Waves Cave once we're done. And after the time lapse, I'll cut back to a regular video, maybe just hold the phone and walk you guys through kind of just this quadrant of the office that will be the recording space and just where the magic happens. Okay, so that is that, you guys. Excited to bring some character to the Waves Cave. Let's get into the time lapse right now. Looking good, guys. I think we're gonna call this one a wrap for now. I'm really happy with the progress that we made in this new office, in the Waves Cave over the past day and a half. Today was definitely a lot more chill. That was only like an hour and a half of work, probably, that you saw in that time lapse since I recorded that initial clip. So happy with the progress we made. Definitely added a lot more character to the corner of the room where we'll be doing some recording. I don't know how well you guys can see this little area back here, but that's why I'm gonna take you on a little tour, get you in the hands, and let's close out the video with a little montage of what will be the new recording area. Okay, so just know, you guys saw it first. Let's do it. All right, we'll start in this corner of the room because we kicked off the time lapse by unboxing these two puppies. Two guitars, the first of which is a beautiful acoustic signed by Mr. Austin Post and or Post Malone. And the second is an electric signed by, let's see if you guys can guess it quick, Mr. Machine Gun Kelly. So I'm sure some of you guys were stressing right there with me as I was unboxing these and just leaning them up against the wall. But don't worry, I do have some stands and mounts for these two on the way, and these will be off the ground very soon, like they deserve to be. But for now, they're just fine. Waves canvas, classic Waves canvas with the iconic Waves logo, meant solely to cover up those outlets right there. We'll figure that out in time, but for the moment, that'll do. Standing desk, MacBook, I mean, just a day in and I'm already loving this thing, so stoked on this. Standing desk, pumped on that as well. Of course, you guys saw me put the Waves katana up. I don't think I showed you guys a close-up of that, but the guard is actually Waves. And as you guys can see, I mean, this thing is so on brand. I love this katana. Again, I did have been savoring some champagne with this, and I'm stoked to not savor champagne, but now katana champagne, okay? But pinkies up, gotta watch the pinkies next time. Moving on, you guys saw me unbox this guy as well. Of course, laptop, but underneath that is this laptop stand. So it's glass, it has kind of this gunmetal finish, little legs on it, which looks really cool. And underneath that is a Louis box. I mean, it looks cool there. I didn't intentionally have it there, but that is because what came out of it is on the shelf. So let's get to the shelf, and then we'll close it out by taking a look at that over there. Forgive this corner of the room, you guys, that's for a later date. But on the shelf, top of the shelf is Mr. Samurai. This guy has been right here with me, right next to me, for like the entire journey while I record my videos, while I write my newsletters. So he gets the top spot, he gets the #1 seed. Below that is the beautiful statue of David in the hand. I thought that was just cool. Below that is, of course, again, the Louis book. This is actually from the Louis Vuitton store on Oahu. This light is tweaking out right now. I'm sorry about that, but this is from the Louis Vuitton store on Oahu. This is like a Hawaii coffee table book, and I thought that would look good right there. Below that is a beautiful Louis Vuitton box that was actually painted and resined over by my beautiful lady Sam, mother of my soon-to-be son. So this is beautiful, definitely deserves a spot on here, probably deserves to be higher up, so we'll be moving that higher up. Kind of just winged this. And then on the bottom, some good old gold and black Hayabusa boxing gloves, because again, we're always fighting to be on top. Lastly, as far as the wall art is concerned, got the Waves NFT canvases. This is the negative one, and this is, of course, just the standard one. So these two are looking beautiful. I do think they look really good in the recording software. So let's show you guys that now. Again, got the little Waves mouse pad here with the magic mouse. Got the Blue Yeti X microphone, which should be beautiful. Pop filter, gonna plug this in, excited for this new mic, should be good. And let's close it out by taking a look at what we're working with. Again, you guys, this light is straight up running out of battery. Of course, this happens right as I'm recording this, but we are looking good, you guys. I am excited to see what I'm excited to record here. I hope you guys are excited for the recordings that are gonna come out of this. But right now, I think we're looking good. I'm probably gonna change some of this stuff around. Almost wanted to stand while I recorded these videos, so we'll see. I will see if I completely shift everything around. But I think that we're gonna call it a day. Again, I'm happy with the progress we've made, and I appreciate you guys watching. So tune in. Once again, when you see recordings with this background, know you guys saw it first, and you are an absolute real one if you stuck with me for this long. So love you guys, I appreciate you, and I'll see you soon. Until then, always remember, take action, make waves. Peace, guys.